welcome to Creative Union Yoga on part three. I'm Emma Flood. Part 3 of the Little Boat series, the variation series. We're going to focus on keyhole, or also known as thread the needle. Oh, resty. And cow's head. So let's jump right in, get into something cozy and comfy. Rusty's going on his way to get into something cozy, comfy. And then we'll begin. So starting resting on our backs as we usually do for this series. Oh, I have a lovely little present from Rusty. All right, so resting back. Again, let's take our check-in with the bodies on the ground, connecting the skull, upper back, pelvis to the earth. Let them fall, let them drop. Let them surrender to the pull of gravity. Good, 2 more breaths. Inhale, feel these areas. Exhale, deepen. Excellent. So let's start by drawing the left leg into the abdomen. Okay, so this is how we're going to start with keyhole or thread the needle. When you draw the leg in, instead of just placing the leg there and just kind of getting into it willy-nilly here, we're going to put a little more focus into the variation or the movement or the posture. So you're going to draw that left leg in, and you're going to think about the point where the thigh bone and the pelvis meet, and you're going to rotate that leg outwards or turn the leg out from that hip joint. Find your rotation. You might need a little help if you have tight hips to place the outer part of the foot, ankle, or shin on the thigh just above the knee of the bottom leg, or in this case, the right leg. So this might be enough for you, okay? The sensation in the outer part of the leg and pelvis might be enough with the leg here, or you can start to draw the legs in towards the abdomen. So this is where it becomes a little boat variation. We're in that same configuration with the legs being drawn in. And then you can choose to place your left hand through the little hole between the legs, and your right arm is going to go on the outer side or outside the right leg. And the hands are going to meet behind the legs. You can interlace the fingers if you'd like. And then rest the palm of the hands, the back of the thigh. Excellent. So from here, we can do what we did in our little boat from the ground up video. That's the very first video. Foundations video of Little Boat, and you can rock a little bit side to side. Good. You can also choose to inhale, take the legs away. Exhale, drop the pelvis and let the legs fall towards you, or draw the legs towards you gently, keeping that upper back, upper body nice and relaxed. Good. Inhale away. Exhale, drop the pelvis, let the legs draw towards you. Maybe consider really breathing into the abdomen. Exhale, drop the pelvis. Good. From here, you can start to slide that left leg over the right. So the left leg is resting over the right leg, and you can choose to grab a hold of the feet, the ankles, the knees, or just below the knees on the shin. And let the weight of the legs fall towards you. So the more I let the legs fall towards me, the more I start to relieve and lengthen out that lower back. Excellent. And then you can extend the legs, take them apart, give them a good little shake. Yeah, internally and externally rotate them a little bit. Bend the knees, lower the feet onto the ground, and of course we're going to have to do the other side. So we'll draw that right leg in, find that junction where the thigh bone and the pelvis meet, so the hip joint, rotate, turn that leg out, place the outer part of that right foot, ankle or shin, on the thigh of the left leg, above the knee. You can hang out here, or you can feed that right hand and arm through the hole between the legs, left arm and hand on the outer part of the left leg. Draw the legs in towards you, interlacing the hands behind the left leg. And again, you can choose to start with a gentle rocking. Again, massaging out that lower back. And once you come back to the center, you can inhale, take the legs slightly away. Breathing into the belly, exhale, let the belly fall, let the pelvis drop, let the legs fall towards you. Ooh, this side is tight for me. Inhale away. Exhale towards. Good. You can place, if you have a tighter side, which most likely you do, we all do, you can place the hands a little lower down the thigh, or I should say up the thigh, towards the glutes, so that the upper body can relax a little more. Because maybe taking the arms higher up the leg, I'm reversing it. So sorry, taking the hands down the leg behind the knee could be a bit more of more work in the upper body. So you slide the arms along the back of the thigh where it feels comfortable, where that upper body can relax. Good. So again, inhale away, exhale towards. And then eventually you can slide that right leg over the left. So this is considered cow's head. I did not mention that on the first side. And again, you can hold the feet, ankles, shins. A little wiggle side to side or rock. Exhale, keep dropping that pelvis, dropping the legs. Excellent. And then taking the legs up towards the ceiling, give them a good little shake. And you can do one of two counter poses, which we did in the previous video, taking the feet slightly wider than hip width apart, letting them fall to one side and the other. Nice counter pose to get the hip flexors extending because they were in flexion. Good. And then the other counter pose could be lying on your belly. And we did do this in the previous videos as well. So resting on your belly, you can rest the upper body and the forehead on the ground or forehead on the hands. But I'm just going to keep mine up for the sake of the mic here. Bending the legs, rock side to side. Fantastical. And there you have it, my friends. That is part 3 of Little Boat Variations. So stay tuned. We're going to have an upcoming series on the same posture, but the modifications of the posture. So that will include, if you can't rest on your back or lie on the ground, we can try sitting in a chair or use a chair, strap, bolster. So we'll find creative ways to use some props to help get you into the posture, to feel confident, comfortable, and relax in the posture, to start getting some movement going and creating more mobility in your body if you experience low back and hip tension. Okay, so be sure to subscribe to my channel, like, share the videos, comment, ask questions, and yogis, again, enjoy your future practices, exploring your body, your breath, your movement. Thank you for watching, and we will see you on the mat very, very soon. Think love, speak love, be love. Namaste.